So now you can take a nap in this awesome raised bed. How to make raised bed? First, you need some wood, which is at least 2 inches wide or 5 centimeters wide, so it withstands some damage from the weather and from the animals or the plants. So next you want to decide the height of the raised bed. So here we have some bigger raised beds. So these small beds are perfect for tomatoes because tomatoes grow really tall and you can cherish them up and up or for almost whole season. So these are great for tomatoes and other tall plants. So as you can see, these beds are really simple to make, or they look simple to make because they are. They're just combined with 3 pieces of wooden boards, which is this piece and the piece that is longer, or it can be the same size, and from this wooden piece, which is in here in the corner inside, and this piece helps to combine and hold together the boards, wooden boards, and the bed is more stable and it's harder to break apart. Extra tip for higher raised beds is to connect the middle of the raised bed with something. So here we have the metal pieces which are supporting the wire which is going through the middle. So the lower half can be lower quality soil and the higher part of the bed, which is from this to from here around here, this should be higher quality soil, and then on top you should add some compost. If you want to protect your raised bed from the weather just a little bit or from decomposing, you should use some plastic like it's right here. So this is UV repellent plastic. If you have some mice or voles damage usually in your garden, you should probably take some metal mesh and put it under the raised bed.